was quite incredible.
Took my breath away a little bit.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, it was really impressive how he did all those tricks.
It was weird. How did he know?
It's magic.
Push the card all the way in so we're not cheating.
Fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
Well done.
Thank you so much.
If I give these two to you this time, if you squeeze onto these, squeeze them, just squeeze them, give them a shake. Snap, snap. Try to make them disappear, but I don't think it's working. Let's have a look. We've got 1, 2, 3. How did you do that? What? Medium, and we got the small. Thank you very much, sir. So we got 3 pieces of rope. You all know what an illusion is, right? Yeah. If I put the pieces of rope like this, it looks like an illusion because they all look like they're the same length. But all I have to do, guys, to make it reality is to pull, and they all instantly become the same length. 3. But remember, I said what we're doing tonight, illusions, as they're always the big, the medium, and the small. Tasted a little bit different. I'm not too sure. Oh, I think that's why. Space alien.
Oh! Oh my god! What you got in there?
Exactly.
That's pretty weird.
What? What? Shut up.
Oh, thank you very much. Nice one. So you're thinking of the colour on top, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, just keep thinking of the colour over and over again. I'm not saying it was red. If it was red, just say the word red over and over again in your head, okay? Okay, nice one. You look at me. Blue. Let's have a look. It's blue.